there's a frog pond that we are making, and I just saw some frogs jumping, so we're gonna catch one. Different types of cages. I have a temporary cage, which this is just if I see something, I can simply pop this and then get a bigger cage ready. This is one of the mud lizard and frog cages, one of the frogs. And this is probably the one that I put that frog in because it stays down in the mud. This one I found in the water, but this is a lizard. Habitat frogs can't learn it too. This one right here is just for frogs. Lizards are able to drown in it, so I don't put lizards in there. I can do a quick sweep and see if I can. But they can see it coming, so they'll probably move. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. So let's go ahead and start draining. I am still trying to get this hole bigger so more frogs can come through it. It's actually, it keeps filling up with water. One thing, it's attached to the creek. There's like an underwater tunnel. It's about 50 feet. So that is pretty cool. You can easily get away. There he is. He's not going to make any movement until he thinks that I may possibly harm him. He may know that I can see him. I don't think he knows. It is a toad. I saw some green on its stomach. I'm not exactly sure because that's all mud. It's totally smeared with mud. See if I can get lucky and grab him on the first shot. Nope. Oh, there he is, Hang on. Alright, see him? Let's grab him. Yeah, got him. There he is. It's a pretty big frog toad. This is the exact same one I caught before. He then escaped his cage overnight. I didn't put top on it, so it's not really escaping. Okay, yeah, so it's a toad. I need to clear it up.